This guy rolls up on a bike and just starts clearing the porch. One package, two, three. No hesitation, no shame. Like, bro, you moving or just building your own Amazon warehouse? This guy's slick. Cap pulled low, sneaks up from the back, grabs the package and bounces without ever showing his face. Like, he clearly thought this through. Think the hat trick fooled the camera? Walks up, grabs the package and is gone in seconds, like it's a routine. No mask, no rush, just pure confidence. Would you yell through the cam or call the cops first? He strolls up, grabs the package, and walks off like it's his. Didn't even look at the camera. Bold move. Would you chase him down, or just blast the footage online? Okay, this one's next level. Dude is literally crawling across the porch to steal a package, like that makes him invisible. Spoiler, it didn't. It's 3 a.m. and this guy's sneaking into the backyard for a chair. Picks it up and tiptoes out like it's treasure. Who even steals a chair at 3 in the morning? This guy grabs the replacement package for the one stolen before. Same porch, same move, just bold. At this point, it's like he's on a schedule. This one's wild. He steals the shoes and puts them on right there. Walks off in his new kicks like it's a shopping spree. Would you be mad or just impressed by the confidence? Walks up, grabs the package and strolls off like it's his. Didn't even flinch at the camera, just pure confidence. Would you yell through the mic or call the cops? It's 3:33 a.m. and this guy's making the rounds, grabbing packages like he's on a mission. Middle of the night, super quiet, then gone. Who even shops for stolen boxes at that hour?